Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Every day just starts with me starting the car and realizing that I need gas. Hey, how's it going? Can I get a large hot coffee with caramel, cream, and sugar?
Sure, anything else?
And a bagel with cream cheese? What they don't know is I have a coupon for a bagel with cream cheese. Time to get some gas. I finally have a gas! Today is a sad day. I'm selling the Z. I just got back home and realized that I need to take a lot of stuff out of my car. Bunch of crap. I didn't really even have time to take anything out of my car because the buyer just showed up. The buyer is here and we're looking at the car. Eventually gonna go to Pet Boys, that's fine too. We'll check the car out. That's a sad day. That's a very sad day. My whole channel pretty much is based off of this car. But we're gonna move on to better and bigger things. When you realize that your hair is just so crazy in the wind, you have to make it nice because the guy probably thinks I'm a hobo. We've been driving for a while now. Now Anton is driving.
Please observe the speed.
Yeah, you can tell. He's test driving the car. So far I think he likes it, so it's probably going to him. He promised me he'll take a good care of her, for sure. Art.
Please observe the speed limit.
My plans for now are to just have a daily car and keep making vlogs. Eventually I will get a race car. Stay tuned for that. I can't believe I'm selling my car. Honestly, it's so sad. But hey, I promise I'm gonna get a better thing going on later on. My hands are shaking. I'm like the most upset person in the world right now. Yeah? Sad day. On the way to Pet Boys to check out the car, make sure everything's good. Pet Boys. Low life. People at Pet Boys might not be able to put the car in a lift. First of all, if they take the spacers off, the lift will fit under the car, but then there's metal bars that will probably hit the side skirts and bend them, crack them, whatever. What else do you say on camera? What else do I say? Hey, there's nothing wrong with me saying that my car is sexy, okay? It's a sexy car. It's a sexy car. Every time I park it, I gotta look back. Pet Boys around my house weren't able to put the car in a lift due to the car being too low. They didn't want to mess up the side skirts once again. We are now gonna look for different shops that will have lower lifts or like lifts that are in the floor, whatever. You just drive over them and it lifts the car. The official statement is the car is sold. I just gotta redo the paperwork, sign the title, do bill of sale. I'm so upset inside, like there's a feeling that just makes me feel bad. And the dubstep turns on. Let's go get the paperwork done. Just gotta type it, print it. We'll have the new buyer sign it all, I'll sign it all, and the car will leave, unfortunately. Sad day. Bill of sale is printed. I'm like excited, but I'm very upset at the same time. How do you feel about buying a 350Z?
I'm in love.
Yes.
Now I have two of them.
Two of them, that's right.
2003 and a 2008. Black and white.
Good, good. And that's a sad day for me. The Z is finally going to a new owner, and I'm gonna go home and cry. And
Thank you.
for sure, man. Enjoy the car.
I will definitely update you.
Keep in touch. Jesus, I don't sell cars every day. I don't know what to do. Keep forgetting things. Keep forgetting things. New owner.
Thank you.
2 keys. Gotta say bye. Gotta say bye to my car. That's it. It's sold. No more Z. No more just Pasha with a Z. It's done. My hands are shaking. I'm crying. I'm already crying. Okay, boys. This is done. The car's sold, no more Z. I will get a new car, but from now on we'll do just vlogs and we'll just hang out with some car people. We'll do some videos with that. I'm just very upset, but at the same time it's kind of a relief. Why I did have to sell my car. I got arrested twice. I will be making a video what I did, why I did that, and how everything happened. Hope you enjoyed this vlog or whatever else it could be called. Thank you all very much for watching my videos. Whoever's watching, commenting, liking, disliking really motivates me now to keep on going. With the help of you guys, I can keep making videos and bring you interesting content. The more you guys watch, the more interesting content I can keep making. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay positive. Bye. Baba